few reasons. Number one, to hopefully try and remind people to, you know, send those messages, say those thank you, say those I love yous, because you never know when it's going to be too late. And number two, in this upside down crazy world we seem to be living in right now, we wanted to use our stage and platform to try and share some love, some light and some hope. And lastly, and maybe most important in this moment right here, we wanted to say thank you to you, because we were all once that 8-year-old kid with a rocket, standing in front of a mirror, dancing our hearts out with hopes and dreams, and now we stand here as grown-ups in diversity, and that is all down to the support of every single person that comes out again and again to our shows. So thank you guys so much. But listen, guys, you've got to help us celebrate, right? To end this show off. So after 3, I need you to go crazy for the cast of Supernova. 1, 2, 3! One time to freeze the T still for the codes. I think you got one, stay paid. I get the you got a good song. But I'm back now, look at what God's done. Now I'm going to look at what God did. When the moves goes round, I'm helpless. Go for the fix, then I tell them I'm helpless. This is what's behind the can't stop this. Where right there, could you stop my verse? You save this kid. It's not my problem, it's not my worth. All of my God, but I've got to serve. Okay.